Discover a powerful lead generation tool that helps you find and enrich lead contact information efficiently. This demo showcases how LinkFinder AI simplifies lead enrichment and company employee discovery to accelerate your sales efforts. To see a free lead generation tool, one of the best freely available tools today, just go to the description of this video and click the first link. You will be redirected to the LinkFinder AI website. Where you can create a free account and start your free trial. Here you can create a free account and start your free trial to explore the platform's features. Once on the app page, there are many ways you can use to find and enrich lead contact information. First, you can enrich a lead if you have its LinkedIn profile URL. Select the data type such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL to specify your enrichment criteria. You can also select the output type to define what information you want to retrieve, like LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill in the output type to tailor the enrichment results to your needs, such as LinkedIn profile data or email address. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL of the lead you want to enrich. Enter the LinkedIn profile URL to enrich the lead's information. Click the Enrich Data button to start retrieving detailed information about the lead. You can view detailed profile information such as name, position, and location to better understand your lead. You can change the output type to retrieve different data points as needed. Fill the output type field to specify the desired information for enrichment. Click Enrich Data to refresh or retrieve new information based on updated parameters. Profile data is found including LinkedIn URL and email address, providing comprehensive contact details. Select the output type to switch between different data categories like LinkedIn profile data or phone number. Fill the output type field to specify the type of data you want to extract. Click Enrich Data to process the request and retrieve the selected information. You can also find the lead's phone number from the LinkedIn profile URL, making contact easier. Another feature allows you to get company employees by selecting the data type such as company domain. Fill the data type field to specify the company domain for employee lookup. Select the output type as company employees list to retrieve employee information. Fill the output type field to specify the employee list as the desired output. Click the field to enter the company domain for which you want to find employees. Fill in the company domain, such as Tesla.com, to search for employees. You can filter employees by seniority levels like founder, owner, C-suite, director, or partner. Fill the seniority level to narrow down the employee search to relevant contacts. Click the example field to specify the number of employees you want to retrieve. Fill in the number of employees, for example 100, to limit the search results. Click Enrich Data to find employees matching your criteria within the specified company domain. Found 23 employees at Tesla.com, including key contacts like Fiona Chen, Director of Human Resources. Access the API Access section to explore integration options for data enrichment. Click here to view detailed API documentation for LinkFinder AI. Click B2B Data Lookup to see available API calls for data enrichment. Click LinkedIn Profile T-Email to learn how to extract email addresses from LinkedIn profiles. Click LinkedIn Profile T-Email again to review the API details. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to LinkedIn Info Async to extract full profile data from a LinkedIn URL using 1 credit. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to LinkedIn Info Async again to confirm API usage details. Click LinkedIn Profile to Phone to access phone number extraction API. Click LinkedIn Profile to Phone again to review phone number API details. Click Company Enrichment to explore APIs for company data enrichment. Click Get a filtered list of employees from a company domain. Filter by department and seniority to refine your data retrieval.